This is blast rock. It's a tough material to handle. One salvo in the side of this mountain will yield about 14 to 15,000 tons of blast rock. The goal is, of course, to get the material to the crusher as fast as possible and at the lowest cost possible. And Volvo's got the machine to get the job done. So let's go get some material.
The Volvo L35F is a totally new wheel loader. Bigger, stronger, equipped with many new and exciting features for the greatest comfort and reliability. Among other things, the L35F has the new roomy Volvo Care Cab, a powerful new Volvo engine, a new transmission, and tough, newly designed axles. It's a brand new machine. The Volvo L35F is designed and built for the toughest jobs 24 hours a day, day after day.
Every detail has to work under the most demanding conditions so the machine can deliver on our promises. Take these hydraulic hoses, for example. These hoses are completely new for the L35F, and they've been tested under the most extreme conditions and designed with the highest quality. Why? Because our name's on them.
Thanks to Volvo-developed components, long experience, and know-how, Volvo has been able to create a wheel loader that doesn't compromise on anything. In short, the L35F is a machine you can trust. You'll find a lot of new innovations in the drivetrain, where every component is dimensioned for the highest dependability and designed to work in harmony. The engine is a completely new 16-liter engine equipped with Volvo's advanced combustion technology, V-Act, enabling it to meet all existing emission requirements while maintaining high productivity and low fuel consumption. Volvo also developed a new heavy-duty transmission for the L35F, a smooth-shifting planetary transmission with automatic lockup. The newly Volvo-developed axles are robust and powerful to handle whatever kind of work you throw at them. Every component is of the highest Volvo quality, built to work perfectly with each other. But it's in workplaces like this, where dump trucks and haulers are constantly coming and going, that the L35F comes into its own. Efficient loading with short cycle times. The transmission shifts smoothly, and the automatic power shift system always selects the right gear to suit current engine revs and ground speed. This not only reduces machine wear, but saves on fuel as well. APS also automatically downshifts to first gear as needed. All the operator has to do is shift between forward and reverse. The L35F's load-sensing hydraulics are stronger than any of Volvo's other wheel loaders and give full power already at idle. This means increased lifting forces and fast cycle times. The lift arm system is newly designed with one powerful tilt cylinder, giving the operator better visibility. And together with the electro-hydraulic load sensing system, the return to dig function, and the end dampening, the operator can move the bucket with full control. No jerks and bumps. and the lift arm system design means that the L35F has a better lifting height.
Blast rock is often dumped into large dump trucks or haulers. You have to be able to get the bucket up high enough to get up over the edge. The L35F, this is no problem.
With the optional boom suspension system, comfort and productivity are increased for many different kinds of work. In load and carry situations like this, the lifting arms are dampened, allowing the operator to maintain higher speeds even over uneven ground. And the new transmission is extremely efficient in load and carry operations. With automatic lockup in second, third, and fourth gear, all the power can go to driving the machine forward. This means a fuel savings of up to 25% and higher uphill speeds.
Operator safety and comfort are important factors when developing new Volvo machines. The cab on the L35F is a completely new design.
The new Care Cab is quiet and roomy. It's wider and deeper than its predecessor, and large windows all around increase safety and give the operator perfect control over the work. The function switches are to the right, in a new position on the A-post for easy access. The CDC lever steering and new electro-hydraulic control levers allow the operator to work in comfort, even during long work shifts. The CDC are electronically controlled with full turn dampening, providing smooth steering with no jerks and shakes at in position. And with the new viscous cab mounts, unwanted noise and vibrations are further dampened. The cab is safety tested and approved according to ROPS and FOPS. The cab entry ladder, as well as service platforms and steps, are equipped with effective anti-slip surfaces. This, together with well-placed handrails, improves safety. Care Cab operators enjoy the best workplace on the market. Volvo's unique air filters, together with the automatic climate control, always provide the cleanest air possible and the right cab temperature regardless of weather and outside temperatures. The climate control system with air conditioning is standard. As an option, there's a new function, timer cab heating. When the operator activates the timer cab heating, the cab is warmed by circulating air from the radiator, even with the engine switched off. It's comfortable, saving both fuel and the environment. Timer cab heating is just one example of Volvo's regard for the environment, and there are others.
This fuel cap is a good example of how Volvo thinks about the details. We think about the environment in everything we design. This fuel cap has a valve in it to prevent fuel leakage should the machine ever tip or roll over.
The machines are up to 95% recyclable. Volvo also offers biodegradable hydraulic oils and refurbished components such as transmissions, axles, and engines through the Volvo Exchange Program, which is the market's broadest for refurbished components.
Dust, dirt, and mud are just part of the everyday environment these machines have to work in. Volvo understands this and has fitted all components with seals and filters to protect them. The rear axle, for example, lives its whole life in dust and dirt. But that's okay. It's completely sealed and has a maintenance-free cradle with automatic lubrication. Well-designed solutions with seals and filters means that Volvo has the best protected operators and machines on the market.
Anywhere dust and dirt might have a chance of getting in, the machine has been protected to increase its work life. Double seals in the frame joint bearings, the propeller shafts, and in the rear axle bearings. High-quality breather filters in the front and rear axles. Transmission, hydraulic system, and fuel system are just a few examples where Volvo is well ahead of the competition. This is also the result of attention to detail with a focus on quality. Every vital component has been individually tested for durability and fatigue in special test rigs. And in Volvo's Reliable Growth Test Program, the prototypes and pre-series machines have been tested for thousands of hours in the world's toughest environment, the demanding production work our customers face every day. With a new roomier care cab, a powerful new engine, a reliable new transmission, and new heavy-duty axles developed without compromise, there's just one thing left to say.
This is Volvo. We know you work hard, and you want your machines to do the same. We know you want high productivity and cost efficiency. You want low maintenance and less downtime, and a high degree of safety. Maybe that's why you chose Volvo. More care built in.